Hey folks, we start today with a reminder that Tim's Coats is still going on, and these great folks knew that, and they went and got a bunch of coats for us. This is the folks from far south. They picked up more than 250 coats. There's some there. There's more back here behind Marty. That's Marty Moore. There's some more pile up back there, and all these folks worked hard to get all those coats and take them over to D&M Cleaners in Far. Marty's going to make sure they're cleaned up, and we'll get them out to folks who need them as quickly as we can. Tim's Coats still going on, so if you got a coat you don't need, take it to one of the participating dry cleaners across the valley, because on nights like last night, nights like tonight, coat feels pretty good if you don't have one. So let's look where we are now. Upper 60s, low 70s, 64 Port Isabel, the cool spot, 72 McAllen, 75 in Rio Grande City. Tonight, cool but not as cool as last night. We showed you those lows last night earlier in the newscast. Most of the valley ended up in the mid-30s last night. Tonight, more like 49 to 53 across the area, so warmer night, and then tomorrow back up around 70 again with the winds out of the east-northeast, maybe a southeasterly component in that, bringing humidity up just a little bit as well. High temperatures the next 3 days, though, you do see the changes. Tomorrow we're 70, but then only 63 on Saturday, back to 67 on Sunday, as a weak front comes in tomorrow and doesn't really have any cold air behind it, but on Saturday the rain chance shows up and that cools temperatures off a bit. No clouds to speak of today, none this evening, but overnight patchy clouds will show up. But during the daytime tomorrow, probably we may start with sunshine, but we'll end up with mainly cloudy skies, especially near the coast. And then tomorrow night and Saturday, that's when things change. Look how the moisture just rolls in. Saturday morning, 7 a.m., scattered showers over the region, perhaps the most numerous near the coast, but by 3 o'clock, just periods of rain across the valley. I think we could see half an inch to an inch. The higher totals probably in the coastal counties, but everybody fair game for at least a half an inch of rain on Saturday. By Saturday night, it begins to taper off. There's still some rain around, but less of it. Then overnight, the clouds break, and by Sunday afternoon, we're back to sunshine again. And with that, temperatures will warm up a little bit, but still relatively cool. So tomorrow's a dry day, but Saturday, 60% chance, just periods of rain, I think, is what we'll probably see on Saturday. And then early Sunday, probably pre-dawn. By daytime, most of it should be out of here. Don't see anything on the surface weather map, but these lines, all these black lines, represent the winds in the upper atmosphere. Front comes through here at the surface early tomorrow. Not much behind it. This high pressure is off the Pacific, not a particularly cold air mass. Upper level winds go out of the west. But when this disturbance dives across Texas on Saturday, we're out ahead of it. We've got all kinds of reasons for air to go up, for lift to occur, and when that happens, you end up with clouds and rain. And that's what we see Saturday during the daytime into Saturday night. But by Sunday, that system is gone. The northwest flow kicks in aloft, the sun returns, and Sunday looks like it'll be a nice day. Monday looks good as well. Another front, though, on the map Monday will arrive here Tuesday. That one will bring some chillier temperatures once again. That's the same system that's going to bring ridiculous cold air to the Great Lakes, the upper Midwest. Temperatures up there are going to be really, really cold. That air mass is not coming this way. We'll get cooler, but nothing like what they're going to see up there. 56 in the morning in Brownsville, 42 in San Antonio, 30 in Dallas. This is tomorrow morning at 8 o'clock. By afternoon, it warms up a little down here, stays in the 40s in Dallas all day, as it does at Amarillo as well. So for tonight, about 51 for a low. A clear start, patchy clouds later on. Still tomorrow morning, some sunshine, but by the end of the day, clouds will probably thicken up. Your high tomorrow should be right around 70 degrees. Winds out of the east-northeast. So here's a look at what we expect the next 7 days. Tomorrow, very mild. Clouds build as the day goes on. Good chance of rain on Saturday, lingering into the early morning hours of Sunday, but by afternoon, sun should come back in. Sunny and windy on Monday, back to 75. Then the front comes in on Tuesday, a couple of days in the 50s with probably more clouds and sunshine. Rain, probably not a big deal with this. Still some clouds on Thursday, about 60 degrees. That is your updated First 45 forecast.